Yo, what is up, Saucy Squad? It's your boy Victor, and we're back with another mukbang. Today we have Arbys. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's get started. So remember to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. We're at 600 subs, trying to get to 700. Thank you so much. Leave a comment down below, hashtag Saucy Squad or Saucy V if you want to shout out. Look at this, guys. We got the new hot honey chicken wing, boneless chicken wings, the regular buffalo curly fries. They're new crinkle fries. I've never had their crinkle fries. I got the 2 for $6 also. That comes with the home style chicken, and then the classic beef, and then a Greek gyro, which is like one of my favorite things to get. And then we have like leftover Wingstop ranch from my last mukbang that we're gonna do. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and try the hot honey. Look at that. This looks beautiful. Oh my goodness, guys. All right, I'm gonna try it without sauce first. Oh, that sauce is so good. I'm gonna try it with the Wingstop ranch. I have the Arbys ranch too. Oh. Ooh. Their ranch, not too bad. And then I got horsey sauce and Arbys sauce too. Okay, let's go ahead and try the one buffalo. Let's try this. I'm gonna try it with the Arbys ranch. Guys, we are all over the place today with our sauces. I also have the spicy ketchup from Whataburger right here. Let's try the crinkle fries. I've never had their crinkle fries. They taste like normal crinkle fries. They're good though. Curly fry. Their curly fries are always good. Oh, them wings. The wings are really good. I like it. I like the sauce of the hot honey, probably the best. The buffalo just tastes like normal buffalo. With that Wingstop ranch. Ooh. Let's go ahead and try the roast beef. Classic roast beef. So it doesn't come with any sauces. It's just bread, meat, and that's it. And then you put your own sauces. So I like the Arbys sauce. So Arbys sauce. And then the horsey sauce is really good too. Horsey sauce is like a horseradish sauce. And it's like more of a white sauce. Oh. Oh man. This is gonna be good. Let's get it, y'all. That horsey sauce is so good. The layers of the meat. Extra Arbys sauce. This is like my favorite sauce, I think, the Arbys sauce. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys have been enjoying my recent mukbangs. I think they've been pretty good. But let's get this bite with a curly fry. That's so good. Now I want to try it without hot honey. Ooh. Look at that. Super good. See, their sandwiches, since they're only meat and bread, it's so easy to eat. Look at this. I'm almost done already. That horsey sauce is so good. Like, I like anything that has like horseradish, wasabi. The kind of spice that goes up your nose. I hope you guys got your Christmas shopping done. Anytime I go to a store right now, it's kind of crazy how many people there are. Everybody waits till last minute. Even I do that. But this year I got everything done. Like, I didn't even go Black Friday shopping this year. Like, they have good deals, but sometimes it's not worth fighting the crowds. And I just order stuff online anyways. It's just so much easier. Alright. Here is the gyro. This is so good. It comes with like beef gyro meat, like tzatziki sauce, red onions, tomatoes. I mean, this is so good. I'm gonna try it with no other sauce first. The only problem with this one is that they kind of made it, the bread's a little hard. I mean, it still tastes good, but it's a little, I'm used to it being softer. Still so good though. With some crinkle fries. Cannot go wrong. Let's get another buffalo wing. Let's try a curly fry in the Wingstop ranch. Man, I see Twilight ASMR. She dips I feel like she goes to Wingstop every day to get their cheese or their ranch. Everything tastes good with the Wingstop ranch. This is so good. Okay, let's try this home-style chicken sandwich. Oh, it's with chicken tenders, so I don't know how this is gonna taste. This tastes alright. Definitely wouldn't order again. The second bite had more sauce to it. But I feel like those tenders have been sitting out for a while. Let's get this in ketchup this time. I had such a huge headache earlier today. I woke up and had to take a couple finals. So I didn't eat until now. And it's 2 o'clock right now. But I usually eat at around 11 o'clock and then 7 o'clock I don't eat breakfast. So I was really hungry today. This hot honey is just, oh, look at that glaze. That's just too good. I would order this again. I probably wouldn't order the buffalo again. It just tastes like regular buffalo, nothing special. I feel like the crinkle cut fries are a little cold now too. I'm gonna take one more bite of the gyro. Later. I'm tapping out, y'all. That's all I can do today. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Trying to post 2 videos every week in the month of December. And I'll see you guys next time. Stay saucy.